Hello guys and welcome to another video. You're watching CB Tech here. In this video we are going to have a look at why you should not upgrade to S9, and if you're on S8 you should stick with it, and I'm going to provide 3 solid reasons and much more just coming up right ahead. Let's go. So, the first reason not to upgrade to S9 and stick with your S8, or to buy S8 over S9, is its beautiful and futuristic looking design. S8 was a major redesign over the S7 Edge. It had a beautiful 5.8 inches of infinity display, which is a big deal. It removed that big and old chunky old school bezels, which is also another big deal if I'm using big deal too much, because it's really a big deal. Here is S8 in comparison to S9, and you guys can totally see it. It's not a game changer, the S9. It's kind of similar looking to the S8, only there are a few changes here and there. The fingerprint sensor on S9 is like on the bottom of the camera instead of being at the right, which is more of a comfortable position, so there is not a big design change which is compelling to buy S9 over S8. Even in Samsung's own language, S9 is more of a perfected S8. The second reason why you should not upgrade to S9 and sit back with your S8 is the performance jump. The performance jump you're going to get if you upgrade to the S9 is very little bit, and you may not feel it in day-to-day use. That's why I think so that you should not upgrade to S9 and you should sit back with your S8, as you guys can see it in the benchmark testing of both of the phones. So third and final reason consists of 2 points. The first point is that S9 does not have any new thing to offer. Yeah, it will have a slight of the camera bump, a slight better camera, not that bump will be increased, but a slightly improved camera and slightly improved performance, but there isn't going to be a major redesign or a major things to offer to you guys. S8 offers many of the things which S9 is going to offer, such as wireless charging, fast charging, water resistant, and it still have the beautiful camera and very crisp, which takes very sharp pictures. And the second point of the final like this point is that the S8 is quite cheaper. If you guys go and you want to buy an S8, you may find it for 800 bucks. And do you know what else it come with? Of course, an audio jack. So here were the top 3 reasons why you should not upgrade to S9, or you should buy S8 over the S9. And so thanks for watching the video guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.